Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English grammar class. In this class, dear children, I am going to share you the definition of noun, types of noun, and their definitions with examples. So, dear children, let's start with it. Noun refers to persons, animals, places, things, ideas or events, etc. Noun encompass most of the words of a language. See, noun refers to the name of a person, place, thing, ideas or event. This is the definition of noun. Now, under every category there are some examples. You can see person, example, a name of a person is noun like Max, Julie, Catherine, Michael, Bob, Meeta, Sita, Geeta. These all are nouns. Noun is the name of animal as well. Dog, cat, cow, kangaroo, etc. Any name, any animal name is also noun. Place. A name of a place like London, India, Canada, Mumbai, these all names are also noun. Things, bat, ball, chair, door, computer, these all are called noun. So I repeat, dear children, noun is the name of a person, place, things, ideas. Now we will talk about the different types of noun. There are these many types which are visible. Number 1, proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, non-countable noun, collective noun, compound noun. Now, dear children, we will get to know about all these nouns in detail. First of all, proper noun. Proper noun is a name which refers only to a single person, place or thing. There is no common name for it. In written English, proper noun always begins with capital letters. This is very important. Means in easier definition you can say proper noun is a particular name of a person, name of a thing or name of anything, and it always starts with capital letter. Like Meeta, it's a name. Example, proper noun. Taj Mahal, name, example of proper noun. Some examples are already given here. Australia, India, etc. Now, dear children, we get to know about common noun. Common noun is a name for something which is common for many persons, places. It encompasses a particular type of thing, person or places. Like country. If city, if we are saying India, America, then it will become proper noun. But if we say only country, it means it's common noun. Any country can possible. If I am saying it's Mumbai, it is proper noun. But if I am saying city, boy, girl, we are not quite clear who is this girl, who is this boy. So it is the example of common noun. So common noun is a word that indicates a person, place, things, etc. in general, and a proper noun is a specific one of those. So dear children, I think between common noun and proper noun, now the things are quite clear to you. Now we will have another noun, that is abstract noun. Abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen but is there. It has no physical existence. Generally, it refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions like truth, lies, happiness, sorrow, time, friendship, humor, patriotism. So, abstract noun, dear children, cannot be seen but can be feel. We can feel truth. We know what is lie, what is happiness, what is sorrow, but it cannot be shown. So this is called abstract noun, because as material the thing is not clear or visible to us. Now it comes the concrete noun. A concrete noun is the exact position of abstract noun. It refers to the exact opposite of abstract noun. It refers to the things we see and have physical existence. A concrete noun in the exact, it is opposite. As in abstract noun, we are unable to see those things, we can only feel. Here, concrete noun, we can see those things like chair, table, bed, ball, water, etc. So today in this video we had learned number 1, definition of noun, number 2, types of noun, and 4 types we had completed. Number 1, proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, and concrete noun. So dear children, I hope it is clear to you all.